Come on. Come on, go. No. Take her hands. No, you just come stay. Come on. Sheila, no, Miss Bunay. Niloloko si Sheila, iihi daw. She can understand you. Anong nangyari? Hala. Allah, wala daw gasolina. There's no gasoline. Ay. Sige, jump ka. Jump. Wala. Paano naman na hindi na ano na walang gasolina?
I'm going to poop here.
Oh my God! The boat has there's no run out of gasoline. So we have to go back. Run out of the gasoline. Basti! Come over here.
What did I do?
You gonna here, ha? Ayan. Nawalan po kami ng gasoline. So, paano na to? Mama, bakit babalik? Sayang yung bayad.
Ang gasolina.
Paano na yan? Walang gasolina. Hindi na namin makikita yung coral. We need refund. Nawalan ng gasolina, guys. Nawalan ng gasolina ang bangka. Paano na to? Saan to pupunta? Saan pupunta yung gasolina?
Oh no, it's deep now. So deep. Wow. It's really deep now.
Nawala ng gasolina po ang aming boat. And ang lakas pa ng alon. Johnny, the gasoline ran out. The boat ran out of gasoline. Ayan, dala-dalawa pa naman yung hila ng bangka. So, paano na yan? Paano na yan, guys? Johnny is pink. Sheila, Mrs. Bo ka talaga nila kay.
Miss Bo?
Hoy. Basti! No one gonna save you there, ah? Eh. Oh, there's the goggles.